Today we learn the addition. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 apple plus 1 apple equal to 2 apple. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 2 rabbits plus 2 rabbits equal to 4 rabbits. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 3 ducks plus 3 ducks equal to 6 ducks. 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 4 strawberry plus 4 strawberry equal to 8 strawberry. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 5 cats plus 5 cats equal to 10 cats. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. 6 cars plus 6 cars equal to 12 cars. 7 plus 7 equal to 14. 7 aeroplanes plus 7 aeroplanes equal to 14 aeroplanes. 8 plus 8 equal to 16. 8 mangoes plus 8 mangoes equal to 16 mangoes. 9 plus 9 equal to 18. 9 baskets plus 9 baskets equal to 18 baskets. 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 10 balls plus 10 balls equal to 20 balls. Thank you for watching.